Hi, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing from my Magical Lands album set. This is for the cover of volume 3. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear Liquid Adhesive with the fine metal tip. And the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and glue on the castle piece, a beautiful silver glitter paper by Ella and Viv. It cuts wonderfully on the Cricut. My favorite glitter paper to use because the glitter does not come off and it's smooth. It's just beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to center that right on there. There's an 1/8 of an inch border of black around. Any excess glue that comes out, I'm just going to go ahead and take my pin, wipe that off. This glue does dry clear, so once it's totally dry, you won't see anything. Okay, and then let's go ahead and glue our words to the black. Okay. Now the reason I have the black around the extra black pieces to go behind the words is because they overlap onto the castle, and Memories overlaps Magical just a tad bit, and I wanted that black border to carry over on everything. So if we didn't have that, it would not have a black border where it overlapped. So that's why the extra shadow. Okay. I'm just loosely laying it down, and then I'm going to go in and just kind of move it around so that they all go right in the center, so you have that nice border all the way around. That's already drying. Trying to slide it and it's already dry. Oh well, it looks fine. Okay, and then we have a little dot for the eye here. Ah. Okay. And then we'll do the word magical next. It is a fast drying glue, so you can't take too much time on it once you start adding that glue. Okay. Just want to check each letter, make sure it's centered, and go ahead and press it down. So I'm pressing down my finger to pick up that extra glue. And then I'll go in with the tip. I mean the pin. Okay, there we go. Okay, so then we want to glue down Magical first. And then Memories, it will go right on top and it'll overlap just a bit. If you like it the other way, you can do Memories first. And it'll look like that. So that's where you need to see, do we want Magical on top of Memories, or do we want Memories on top of Magical? I don't know. I can't decide. I almost think I want Magical on top. Well, my goodness, decisions. I don't even know if you can tell. I think I'm going to do Magical on top, but honestly, I don't think you can tell all that much. I want to press down extra hard over the glitter so it attaches to that the glitter paper right there. Make sure it's even with the, or lined up with the piece. Okay, I'll put Magical right on top and then we'll be done. Thank you so much for watching this video and staying till the end. If you've enjoyed this video and like to see more of these from me, please click that like button so I can see that you're enjoying these types of videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. Go ahead and follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I will put sneak peeks of upcoming projects and updates when I post things in my shop. Thank you so much again for watching, and have a great day.